Former President Rodrigo Duterte could potentially return to the Philippines if the International Criminal Court, or ICC, is eventually dissolved. That is the view of a geopolitical analyst following U.S. President Donald Trump's firm stance against the International Tribunal, which he claims is a threat to state sovereignty. This report. The International Criminal Court, or ICC, is once again in the spotlight following U.S. President Donald Trump's call to dissolve the International Tribunal. In the Philippines, the ICC's role in the case against former President Rodrigo Duterte remains controversial. For critics of the Marcos administration, the government's actions paved the way for the former president to be brought to The Hague. They argue that the rights of a Filipino and a former president to undergo the judicial process in his own country were not defended. U.S. President Donald Trump expressed a similar sentiment, which is why he wants to dissolve the ICC. According to the Trump administration, the U.S. does not fall under the jurisdiction of the ICC because although it signed the Rome Statute in the year 2000, it was never ratified by the U.S. Senate. One of the key reasons behind Washington's opposition to the ICC is its investigation into alleged war crimes in Afghanistan, including allegations against members of the U.S. military. In an interview with SMNI News, geopolitical analyst German Camentong Chulaurel said this is one of the main reasons Trump wants to oppose the ICC.
Kinakasuhan po nila yung ilang mga sundalo ng Estados Unidos sa mga giyera ng Estados Unidos tulad sa Afghanistan. Siyempre ayaw na ayaw ng Amerikano po yun. Pero si Trump ang medyo may independence from the European leaders talaga na gawin ito na itakwil lang ni ICC todo-todo. Openly at labanan ng ICC.
Camentong emphasized that if the ICC were to be dissolved, there is a possibility that former President Rodrigo Duterte could be brought back to the country. However, he added that this still depends on the pressure applied by the United States regarding the matter.
Depende na yan dito sa pressure talaga na gagawin po ni Presidente Trump. No? Pero depende yan dahil po si Trump ay hindi na po nasa malakas na posisyon sa politika sa loob ng Estados Unidos. Wala na pong lehitimong dahilan na mapanatili si Presidente Duterte sa The Hague.
Although the United States remains a non-member of the ICC, the scope of the court's authority continues to be a subject of global debate, particularly in cases involving countries that are not members of the ICC or those that did not sign or ratify the Rome Statute. For God and my beloved country, the Philippines, Almar Forzuelo, SMNI News.